And welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the vendor dashboard and help you understand how to navigate and use each section effectively. So by the end of this video, you'll know how to manage your products, orders, payments, and much more. So once you log in, you land on the dashboard. This is where you get a quick overview of your account. You can see your total sales, your total returns, your earnings, and yet receivables. You'll also find visual reports like sales trends and order trends to help you track performance over time. Any messages sent by customers will also appear here, so you can stay updated and respond whenever needed. Now let's go to the settings section. Under general settings, you can update your profile details such as your name and your password. Now let's move to vendor profile settings. Here you can add or edit your company details, your basic information, upload your required documents, and update your business description as well. Moving to the warehouses section. This section allows you to add and manage your warehouse locations for shipping purposes. You just need to click on Add Warehouse, enter the details, and click on Save. Now, under payment integrations, you can connect your payment methods like Stripe and PayPal using this plus button. Let's move to the product section now. Here you have two ways to add products. The first option is to manually add a product by filling in all the required details step by step. Let's add a product name. Let's just write boots. We can add a tag. We can add a description as well. And simply select any post. You can also have multiple variants for a product. You can choose different colors, different titles, different materials, different styles. Here, let's take sizes. We can have UK 7, UK 8, and UK 9. You can have different quantities for each variant. You can also have different prices for each variant. You can add your remarks and send for approval. Once your merchant approves your product, it will be available on the Manage Products tab. Now, the second option is to bulk upload products. A predefined template is available for this. You can click on Import. This is the template. You can simply download it and fill in your product details and upload it to add multiple products at once. You can also use the Manage Products tab to view and update your existing products. Now, moving to the channels section, you can connect your store platforms like Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, Magento, Squarespace, eBay, Unicommerce, and Wix. This helps you sync your products and manage them across different platforms from one place. Next, we have the orders section. You can process orders, generate invoices, create shipping labels, and handle order-related actions here. If there are any return requests, you can manage them in the Returns tab. Now, moving to the payouts section. In this section, you can track the payout amount for each order. This gives you clear visibility into your earnings. Now, lastly, moving to the messages section. You'll find all the customer messages in one place here. You can view and respond to these messages directly from here. So that was a complete walkthrough of the vendor dashboard. You can now use these sections to manage your products, track orders, and handle your day-to-day operations smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the support team. Thank you. And